Hey guys, welcome back to KeenaganCreations, and once again we're going to be working on this resin build. As you can see, it turned out really quite nice overnight. So we're going to be doing another layer. Just another thin layer to help even it out and cover up the rest of that wood filler that I had put on the bottom beforehand. Now, this time, instead of going with just the teal, the bluish green color, I'm going to add in like a little bit of like a reddish pinkish color, trying to signify like, say like there's a sunset over the water. I'm gonna try that out and see how that looks. Once again, with this being my first build, it's just a trial by error. I'm just having fun with it, which is what you should really be doing whenever you're making a project. You shouldn't be worrying over much about it. You should just be having fun. But I'm really curious to see how this is going to turn out. I might have added a bit too much red there. We'll see. So this did turn out like a nice, I want to say like almost like a strawberry or raspberry-ish color. So we're going to go ahead and put this on here and see what it looks like. I don't want to get like a sunset look. Dark. I'm hoping it lightens up overnight and that it's not as dark. I want kind of like a bright sunset-y look to it. Alright guys, well, I hope you are enjoying this project as much as I am. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know what you think. Hope you all enjoyed.